Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
The Northeastern Hills University hakas balang kala Ïasoi ke Jingtip soskula ni ke MOU bat Tylli ke Seng Treikam bapaunam hakari bat hak perthei balapenlong ha Golden Jubilee Auditorium NEI COD building Nehu u registrar ke Nehu u Omkar Singh ula Ïasoi ke MOU nak bentar skul ba ringkat bat kinomi khmat jungi company bat ki Seng Bapher hawakran hakan ke sngi u vice chancellor ke Nehu u Prabhashan Kar Shukla ula ong baka skul ba akashim ke sinjam ke bakongsan nak benta ban Kyntiew ke Treikam bat kini ki shlem Treikam bat baki Samla Pule ke Jingtip ki benta Bapher ling ba kini u Professor Shukla ula pendikna baka skul ba akathmu ban penroi kini ki Treikam daga jing IT lot bat ka jing angnut daga jing Treikam in la bante nak benta ke jing mentoi ki khna Pule ka imlang ka salang bat kumjuru ya ka shlem Pule la ong u vice chancellor u vice chancellor ke skul ba Nehu ule thu baka Nehu kala Ïasoi ke MOU ke baningkong bat ke Indo Korea Business Culture Center ban penrung ye kijing hikai ye kaktian Korea ha Nehu ke bala plilat ye ki Samla bakin la ban tip ye kijing Pule bat thamai ha kaliang kaktian bat ke Kolshor kinong Korea nalor kani ke skul ba Nehu kala Ïasoi ru ye ke MOU bat ke Jets 24/7 ke State Cancer Institute Guwahati Medical College ICAR Agricultural Technology Application Research Institute, Kabadan ha Guwahati, CSR, BOX Foundation, SMEC Trust, Black Screen Studio Incorporated Mumbai, but ka team lease at Tech Mumbai.
Chairman MOU Committee.
Another group of the students. Yes. And also even ready to donate, not in the form of the money, but in the form of the language culture between the two countries. Professor Dhakar, already she had taken the responsibility to sign an MOU between the Korean language and Khasi, Garo, Jaintia along the other languages of the Northeast. And I hope with the application of modern artificial intelligence technology, we will able to protect the languages of Northeast and also will able to fulfill the requirement of NEP 2020, that is 3 languages formula: regional, national and international. Today we already have signed the MOU with the different 7 organizations. And 2 MOUs are very important, especially for the Shillong city and also the pupil of the Meghalaya. One is cancer, and we are fully well aware about the impact of the cancer disease in the life of Meghalayan people along with other parts of the country. And really, this is a very dangerous disease. What are the causes and how we can find out the real causes and create an awareness among the young generation of the Meghalaya and also the local people. With the creating an awareness, we will able to solve this problem up to some extent. The green energy or the role of the electric vehicles in the campus of the Nehu and also in the Meghalaya. Commonly, the people knows about that Meghalaya. This is the abode of cloud. How to maintain this abode of cloud? How to maintain the culture and real character of this, the pupil belongs to Meghalaya, residing in the Meghalaya. Definitely, if we are not going to change the energy pattern, not today, but tomorrow, Shillong city will also be just like the Delhi and other cities of the country. So being an academician, it is our duty to think about the problems and find out a real solution of the problem. Other MOUs signed by the university, ICR, Agriculture Technology Application Research Institute, Guwahati, and role of the agriculture in our life. Really, our farmers harvesting the good yield from their fields or not? Where is the weakness or the lateness? And with the intervention of the technologies or agricultural technologies applications, definitely we can aware our farmers and they may harvest better yield from same piece of the land.
Shillong and Meghalaya and the northeast of India. But until I come here, I truly understand the diversity of India. I really feel like I'm home in South Korea, especially when I see all these big pine trees and the beautiful blue sky and the white clouds. And I learned that the Meghalaya means the land of cloud. And especially the most important thing is people. The professors, administrators, and the students at Nehu, they look like us. So I feel like I'm really in South Korea, home. Now, Vasudev Kutumbakam. We are all brothers and sisters, one family, one value, under one God. But unfortunately, languages are very different. So I'm very thankful to introduce Korean language program here at Nehu University. And another important thing that I would like to mention is, for the first time in the world, in the history, even now we talk about Google, much before Google. In Nehu, we are introducing multilingual dictionary. For language multilingual dictionary, Kashi, Hindi, Korean, English.
is again signing of MOUs. I think that is very, very important and a lot of significance. We all know that even our new education policy 2019, it talks about that there must be a holistic development of the students. And we also know that's a very, very dynamic world through which we are passing through, especially because of the digital age that through which we are now passing through. And students, and it really becomes a challenge for the students that how to get them engaged and how to make them a global citizen. This kind of MOU signing, I was so happy that so many organizations, they have come forward to collaborate. Because when we talk about that, it is not that we are competing with each other. Rather, we need to get advantages of that what other institutions are having, and let us leverage the advantages or strengths of other institutions or other organizations.